Okay, so I don't know what you actually know, Braulio. It appears you're in some pretty advanced math, and it's been a minute since I've done it, but I kind of want to like do the most basic thing, and you'll be like, oh, I understand this, I get this, and then don't watch the video. But for the first thing, for example, you probably already know this, but f of x is actually going to be the y value on the graph. And so whatever answer you're going to get out of your function is going to be what you graph on the y-axis. And just for fun, I'm just going to put the graph here. So you already know that this is the x-axis. And I imagine you know this is the f of x-axis or y-axis. So that's what I think you know for sure. And so I'm just going to use a basic one, a basic function. I'm making it up here. I don't really know. I'm going to make it maybe 3x minus 1. And so in order to get your coordinates of what to put on this graph, you would have to substitute any real number as x, right? So you could just do like -1 and 1 and 2. And then on this side is for your y-axis, or your f of x-axis, is where you're going to plug this information into that function right there. Okay, so for the first one you're doing, I'm having problems with my camera. 3 times -1 minus 1, which that is -3 minus 1 is -4. You're like, and so your first set of points then is -1 and -4. Don't drop your sign. And then you have 3 times 1 minus 1. So that's 3 minus 1 is 2. So your next set of coordinates is 1 and 2. And then your next one is 3 times 2 minus 1 equals 5, right? 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. Yep. And so that's 2 and 5. And that's what you would plot one here. And they would say that's how your graph is. So I can even do that real quickly. X-axis here. And we have -1 and goes up to, or down to, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and -4, right? And then we have 1 and 2. And then we have 1, 2, 4, 5. And that's that graph. And I just did that without even showing any of it on my camera. Anyway, that's going to be the first video. That's very, very basic, which you probably already know.